Hello traders, and welcome to the Market Open Preview on a Tuesday, September 9th, 2014. Traders, this is brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. Traders, great to be with you. It's very early on a Tuesday morning. Bright sunny skies, blue skies, no wind. It's going to be a cooker today. Very hot here in Thailand today. And yes, beautiful Gulf of Thailand, flat and blue, and white sandy beaches. Traders, let me introduce myself to you. My name is William Gilday, and I'm your moderator through the Market Opening Preview every single trading day. And on Friday, after the New York close, we give you the Friday wrap-up. Traders, I started trading in the year of 2006. In 2008, I retired from a great career in the fire rescue department after 27 years, I apologize, and decided to come on a 3-month vacation to Thailand. It's 2014, and I am still here. It's a great opportunity, and I'm just loving it. Traders, I really enjoy talking with you every single trading day. All right, traders, let's move along. This is the risk disclaimer. Forex trading has a large potential of rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to trade in the Forex markets. Do not trade traders with money you cannot afford to lose. Traders, always remember that past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. All right, traders, let's get down to it. News and commentary. All right, let's take a look at the Dow 30 closed down negative 0.15%. The S&P 500 was down 0.31%, where the Nasdaq was the only one in the green at 0.14%. Traders, as we go across the pond, we got a little bit of mixed action here. The DAX closed up 0.11%, and the FTSE 500 was down 0.30%. The CAC 40 was down 0.26%, and the Euro Stoxx was down 0.29%. Traders, let's move along into what is currently trading on my side of the world. In Asia, the Nikkei 225 is up 0.40%. S&P ASX 200 is up 0.22%. The Shanghai is up 0.85%, which has not started trading yet. And the Hang Seng, which has not started trading yet, is at negative 0.20%. And let's head over to the calendar. Let's see what's going on the calendar today. See what kind of news data we have to watch out for. If I can get this other screen to pop up. There we go. All right, so we're going to have in approximately about 35 minutes. We got some Aussie news coming up. We got home loans, which is medium impact. We got NAB business confidence in about 35 minutes. I don't see anything else going on there. In the London session, we have Governor Carney speaking. Now, he will move the market. Also, at the same time, we have manufacturing production month on month, and that is a high impact trade. Moving along as we move down into the U.S. session, don't see much going on, traders. We have FOMC Chirulu speaks out of the United States. I'm sure I messed that name up. And really, traders, that's about it. Not a lot going on. CAD has some housing starts data. So not a lot going on today as far as data goes in the New York session. Commentary today was, to be honest with you, there were trades yesterday. I did miss them. I'm having a lot of technical issues. So just having trouble because I have Apple computers and I'm running, there's all the software in trading is on Microsoft and you have to run it through a back program. And I'm just having a lot of problems getting my programs and charts to sync together. I either get charts and then I don't get data, or I get data, I don't get candles. So I'm having a lot of trouble. So we're working on that very strongly, and I totally missed the London session yesterday. All right, traders, let's get to it, and let's get to the 60-minute charts. Traders, the euro dollar is down at support. This thing just keeps selling off. Had that big move from last Friday, and yesterday just sideways. Very late in New York, made a little drop, and again here now for the last 5 hours has been sideways. I don't know what this is going to do, traders. This thing might just keep on dumping. People are saying this is going to come down to 130.30, 130.20. So this just might keep falling. So you're going to have to either do a breakout trade, which is not my favorite trade. I'd like to see this pull back and give us an entry. If not, we're going to have to start doing breakouts because these pairs are not pulling back. I'm going to show you several that are just not pulling back. Let's move over to the pound. Here's a pound dollar. I couldn't even give you a fib on this. I didn't have 2 candles to the right and 2 candles to the left, so I didn't even know if this was really going to be the support area or the end of the swing. So it gave you 2 areas. You can see what the check marks are for pullbacks, and we'll take this back down to support. Again, the pound, especially the pound, is not known for giving us pullbacks. So we're going to have to watch the charts pretty carefully today. I don't think it's a time where you can come in at 90 minutes after the London Open and start looking at charts. I think we're going to have to start from the beginning. Also, traders, take a look at this chart. That gap has not been filled yet. So something to keep in mind. Gaps get filled eventually. So the gap will be filled. Here's the Aussie dollar in the same situation. Couldn't draw a fib, couldn't do anything. Basically, we're looking for this to give us some sort of a bullish candlestick formation, just to give us some kind of an entry to get into this. We're not going to just sell it here because at 0.9271, we have major support here. And I'm not willing to trade into support. So we need some sort of a pullback, some sort of something to get us into these trades. And on this chart, there is nothing. And again, take a look at the top of the chart. We have a gap that has not been filled. All right, let's take a look at the Euro Aussie, which is, again, one of my favorites. This is the only pair that actually gave us a pullback since Friday's NFP and the ECB rate cut. Really nice. We're in the sweet spot right now. If this gives us a bearish candlestick formation, I would jump all over it. Just take your stop just above that high there, and it either works or it doesn't work. But if there was an opportunity to get in before London Open, I would definitely get into this trade. This looks like it's ready to go. Okay. This is going to be the Euro Yen, I think. Wow, I really messed this one up. And what we have here, traders, is... Nope. I correct myself. Traders, this is the New Zealand dollar. I could see the end there. Okay. New Zealand dollar. The problem with the New Zealand dollar is this is now at resistance, and it's been here, for the last 7 hours. But the main thing here is what? Look at those candlesticks. Those candlesticks are absolutely indecision candlesticks. There's no power in these candles. So the bulls might be running out of steam, and we might see a drop here. So I'm expecting, even though it's counter trend, that this is going to pull back and maybe give us an entry to the upside, or it's going to pull back all the way back down to that 200 exponential moving average. So we'll just have to keep an eye on that, but looking good. Traders, on behalf of myself, William Gilday, and of course our great friends FXCL Excellence in Trading, I'd like to thank you for joining us today. Traders, have a great trading day, and remember to trade smart and not hard. Coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. Traders, have a great day, and we'll catch you tomorrow before the London Open. Take care now. Bye-bye.